10 proven steps to supercharge your gut microbiome. Your gut is the ultimate boss behind your energy and immune power. Ready to unlock a healthier you from the inside out? Step 1. Feast on fiber. Imagine a plate bursting with berries, leafy greens, beans, and whole grains feeding your gut bugs. Every type of fiber fuels a unique community of good bacteria. The more colorful your plate, the happier your gut garden. Step 2. Make fermented foods your new best friend. Yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha pack a probiotic punch you don't want to miss. These fermented goodies introduce fresh microbial allies, boosting your gut ecosystem like a probiotic party inside you. Step 3. Feed your gut bugs with prebiotics. Garlic, onions, bananas. Think of these as premium fertilizer for your internal garden. These fibers, like inulin and phos, are what your beneficial microbes crave. Fuel them and watch your health bloom. Step 4. Rotate your produce weekly. Different plants equal different compounds feeding diverse gut bacteria. Switch up your salad game and explore new fruits and veggies. Your gut will thank you with broader microbial diversity. Step 5. Cut back on sugar and ultra-processed junk. Excess sugar feeds bad microbes that throw your gut out of whack. Swap that soda for sparkling water or a juicy apple, and watch your gut ecosystem regain balance and harmony. Step 6. Move your body daily. No marathon needed. Walks, yoga, or cycling boost your microbial diversity and gut strength. Physical activity strengthens your gut barrier and keeps inflammation in check. So get moving and let your microbes thrive. Step 7. Manage stress like a pro. Even 5 minutes of meditation or deep breathing rewires your gut and calms your mind. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, disrupting gut balance. Take moments to breathe. Your microbiome will thank you. Step 8. Prioritize quality sleep. Your gut bacteria follow your body's clock, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of solid rest each night. Poor sleep throws off your microbiome's rhythm, making you feel sluggish. Sleep well, and your gut and energy will glow. Step 9. Use antibiotics wisely. They can save lives but also wipe out your beneficial microbes if overused. Only take antibiotics when necessary, and follow up with gut-loving foods to rebuild your internal community. Step 10. Hydrate for harmony. Water keeps digestion flowing and nourishes your gut's mucosal lining. Sip steadily throughout the day. A happy gut needs a steady flow to flourish and keep you feeling your best. Combine these 10 steps, and you're on the path to a vibrant, energized life fueled from within. Want more gut hacks? Head over to pharmacy.fyi and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the gut love.